Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining how to make a Facebook business page. So let's start the process. Open your Facebook app. After it open, simply tap on these three lines. Attach with my profile picture at the top right. And from here, you'll see the option. See more, tap on this one. And from here, tap on the option pages, which is at the bottom right. This is my previous one. But we are trying to create a new business page on Facebook. So simply tap on the option Create and tap on the option Get Started and write your page name. Remember one thing, always choose the name of your page carefully and also try to choose a unique name. It will help people when they will try to search your page on Facebook. So write the name of your page like I'm writing. After writing the name, tap on the option Next. And here is the option Search for Categories. So you have to choose the categories according to your page name. Like my page is about sport. So that's why I will choose a category about sport. But remember one thing here, you need to choose the category according to your page name. For example, if you are an anime lover, then you have to choose the category of anime lover. Or if you are a musician, then you have to choose the category of musician. I am a sport lover, so that's why I'm choosing a category sport person. You can set up more than one category on your Facebook business page, so set up as much as you can. So after writing the categories for your business page, tap on the option Create. And in bio, you have to describe about your page. I will inform you about sports like football, cricket, basketball, but for your page, you have to describe this by yourself. So I am writing page bio. After writing the bio of your page, you will see the three options: website, email address, phone number. If you have a website, then you can simply paste the link of your website here. You can also set up your email and also your phone number, and you must have to write your everything which you have. So it will help you and grow your Facebook page. But for me, I will skip it for now. Here are the options: address, city, town, postcode. You have to set up everything according to your own, like your address, your city, town, and your postcode because it's a tutorial. So that's why I am trying to make it as quick as we can. So after writing everything, tap on the option Next. After setting up all this, here is option Edit Action button. So what is it? Tap on this. So it is prefer email over messaging or want to drive traffic to your site. Tap on this, try it. So here are all the action buttons. Means, if I set up these to messages, then by tapping on this action button, people can send me messages through Messenger. But if I set this to send WhatsApp messages, then they will be able to send WhatsApp messages with the help of my Facebook page. So set up as you want, but for me, I will skip this one. So after setting up all this, tap on the option Next. And here is the option Connect WhatsApp to your page. It's also a choice if you want to connect this to your WhatsApp, or if you don't want. What goes for me, I will prefer to skip this one. Also, build your page and invite friends, so when you will tap on this option, Invite Friends, your all Facebook friend list will be show here, and you can invite them by tapping on their Facebook IDs, and after this, tap on the option Send an Invitation. But for now, I don't want to invite any of my friends, so that's why I will not do this. Tap on the option Next. Stay informed about your page being notification. Always turn this on. Then you will receive all kind of notification about your page. Like if someone follows your Facebook page, if someone like your video, reel, pictures, or something else. And the second option is marketing and promotional emails. Marketing and promotional emails about your page. Also turn it on because it's very important thing. Like Facebook will try to help you through their AdSense. After setting up all this, tap on the option Done. So as you see, our Facebook business page has been created successfully. So it was a basic way by which you can create your Facebook business page. You can also set everything. After setting up your business page, like your profile picture, your banner, and also how healthy is your page, you can set all this by yourself. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.